Hi there. In the last video, we talked about the concept of overriding, and we saw that how we could override the uh, base class functions and still not break the functionality that is being used anywhere inside our PHP program. So we have a different problem this time. We have to stop the overriding of the function because of certain reason. Let's say that there is a variable, a private variable, okay, which is called as safety belt, and which is been set to uh, true in one of the functions. Let's say public function set safety belt, and here what we are going to do is $this safety belt. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Safety belt has been made true. Okay, now I can just override this function as I told in the last video, and inside any of the car I can make it false. But as per the regulations and the safety consideration, this should not be allowed. There should be no way of setting the safety belt to false, provided we have made to make a change here. We have to make this protected. This is just for example, and we know that we should not be able to set it to false in any case, but we also have to make sure that we set it somehow in our call. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this as final. That means that this function cannot be overridden. And what happens if I try to override it? Hopefully I should get an error. Let's check out and run this program once again without much modifications from the previous example. Okay, let's run this program and just remove this part, just a little bit of cleanup. Okay, dollar sports car, instead of sports car we're gonna use the passenger car, equal to new passenger car, and sorry, equal to new passenger car. And for this dollar passenger car we're going to put the set safety belt, and this call to the function will set the safety belt to false. So I hope we should get an error right now. Let's check it out. So you can see that even though I want to set the safety belt off in the passenger car, the overridden, the final method in here in the base class disallows me to set a overridden function in the derived class. So if I want to use a function which should only come from the base class and not from the derived class, the best way to go is using the final keyword. I hope that was clear enough for you, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.